Yeah, hi. My name is Brad Van Hoos. I'm a independent legal researcher here in Southern Illinois. I live in the Belleville area and part of what's called St.Clair County. Uh, I've seen all these new YouTube videos out, and there's all these how-tos, and I thought, how could I do a video that could help my fellow citizen? And I started thinking about it. So what I thought I'd do real quick is give you a quick. It's a template for any of you that have been charged with a crime in St. Clair County, and I'll be brief, and I just want to, my information here is based on my experience, and I read through the court dockets and see the way the cases are handled and disposed of. So I thought, these are some secrets that the average guy probably doesn't know. So I thought I'd help you out. The first step you want to take is you want to get the right lawyer. Okay, in St. Clair County, there's a handful of firms that seem to have the best results in that courthouse, whether it's a DUI or any kind of criminal charge, traffic. Heck, I think there was even one where a off-duty police officer shot a guy in the back, and that was cleared for him. But there's a handful of attorneys. These guys here in St. Clair County. Well, it was Jim Gomrick, and they made him the state's attorney. But Greg Skinner, Chet Kelly, and another guy named Justin Keene, they seem to have the best results in St. Clair County for whatever reason. Their clients tend to get the most favorable treatment. In Madison County, there's a couple other standouts. There's Curtis Dawson and Bryce Joyner. Don't know either gentleman, but I go through the docket and follow the cases. So, whether it's drunk driving or whatever it is, again. So when you get arrested, the first thing you do, of course, they'll make you go post bond, and you want to cite a conflict of interest with the state's attorney's office. Okay, it really doesn't matter if it's a real conflict of interest or not. You can just make up some nonsense and have your attorney do it. Like I said, it doesn't have to be legit. It can be total nonsense. And then what they'll do is the state's attorney's office, especially for these attorneys, will bring in a guy named David Rands. He's a special prosecutor from the Illinois Appellate Prosecutor's Office. Okay, his nickname is David Rollover Rands. He'll enter the case. I have seen him come in and dismiss DUIs, like for Judge Gleason's wife in 2018, and Dominic Kujawa, another judge in St. Clair County, at the first setting. No driver's license suspended, nothing. So, I've seen really good results, and if you got to get the right lawyer, you got to cite the conflict, and then you get David Rands. He comes in. Like I said, his nickname is David Rollover Rands for a reason. And then, and miraculously for you, all your problems, they just go away. It's real simple. Okay? So that's a real simple template for you guys to follow if you find yourself in any kind of legal problem at all. And our next one will be for local politicians who don't like tough questions. Mr. Rands is very good at coming in and making up completely false charges and prosecuting anybody that questions your authority or your spending. Thank you. Have a great day. My name's Brad Van Hoos. I'm from Belleville, Illinois, and trust me, I know from experience.